So when you first pull up to 2351 Lorillard Place, the building itself just commands your attention. You're looking at a solid, well-maintained structure with a classic Bronx architectural feel, that kind of brick-heavy build that's been standing strong for decades. The facade has real character to it, and they've kept the grounds clean and presentable. A couple of trees out front give it that very welcoming neighborhood feel. It reads like a building that's been loved and maintained, not just left to sit. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the natural light. There's a generous window situation going on. Light is just pouring in, making the space feel bigger than the square footage might suggest. The floors are clean and contemporary, the kind that photographs well and holds up in real life too. You've got your wall unit for climate control, so comfort year-round is covered. It's a practical, clean layout, the kind of space you can actually see yourself living in. Okay, the kitchen is genuinely one of the highlights. Upper cabinets in a glossy white finish, lower cabinets with a warm light wood tone, and that combination just works. Stainless steel refrigerator sitting next to a smooth black oven and stovetop, black faucet popping against the light countertops. Light gray tile flooring ties it all together. Someone put real thought into this kitchen. It's a functional and it looks good. And that's not always easy to find. Now, the bathroom gives you a spa-adjacent energy without going overboard. You've got marble-style wall detailing that immediately elevates the space, paired with a warm wood accent wall that keeps it from feeling cold or sterile. The vanity is sleek and modern. The mirror has a clean, rounded frame, and the lighting above, it hits just right. Storage is built in underneath. Your essentials have a home. The bathtub with the mounted shower head and that minimalist black curtain rod keeps the whole aesthetic tight and intentional. Light neutral tile on the floor pulls everything together. Honestly, it's the kind of bathroom that makes your morning routine feel like a whole moment. And here are the amenities. Pet-friendly, bike storage lockers, shared laundry room, high-end countertops and finishes, air conditioning, security cameras, elevator, accessible entries, smoke-free and outdoor terrace. So here are the details. Welcome to 2351 Lorillard Place Apartments. It's an upscale residential experience in the vibrant Belmont neighborhood of the Bronx. This newly constructed 9-story building blends modern design with elevated comfort, offering spacious 1, 2, and 3-bedroom residences with stylish finishes and thoughtfully crafted layouts. Residents enjoy contemporary amenities, refined interiors, and convenient access to neighborhood dining, shopping, parks, and public transportation. With its sophisticated design and prime location, 2351 Lorillard Place offers a premium living experience in one of the Bronx's most dynamic communities. 1 pet allowed, 30 pounds, weight limit per pet, and some additional restrictions. No pet deposit required. Tenant is responsible for electricity with electric stove and electric heat. Hot water is included in the rent. Affordable housing program. This building is being constructed through the Universal Affordability Preference Program and 485X tax exemption program of the New York City Department of Housing Preservation and Development. So there are no deposits, application fees, and for more information, you have to go to the website, which is https://housingconnect.nyc.gov/public web/. I will link this in the description box below of this video, and it says preference for a percentage of unit goes to 20% community board residents, Bronx CBO6. I'm not sure what that means. And also 10% municipal employee, military veteran. So as you can see, it says apply now. So if you feel like you fit these requirements, then you could go ahead on and hit apply. But I can't apply for this. Why? Because my income is too low. So these are the available units and requirements. And the unit size, they have 3 bedrooms for 40% area median income. And this is the monthly rent for these 3 bedrooms is $1,368. They got 5 available units. The asset limit is $67,840, and 3 to 7 people could move into this 3-bedroom apartments, right? And it starts with $58,046 all the way up. That's the minimum, and the maximum is $84,160. Okay, that's the max. So let's move on. Right now, the median income is higher. Now it's at 70% for a 2-bedroom. A 2-bedroom apartment is $2,297 a month. They have 5 available units. The asset limit is $118,720. And in this 2-bedroom apartment, 2 to 5 people could move in. I'm sorry. Sometimes the screen bothers my eyes. 2 to 5 people could move in, starting with a minimum of $87,600 all the way up until the max of $128,240. Also, this is another number to look at also that they would accept, because it's in that bracket for a 2-bedroom apartment. It's not cut off. Okay, we still in the 70% area median income. Now we in the 3-bedroom apartment, which is $2,631 a month. And they have 6 available units. Okay, once again, that asset number, 118,720. 3 to 7 people could move into this 3-bedroom apartment. And the minimum it starts that you have to make for 3 people is $101,349, and to the maximum $147,280. That's the max they would accept, but they also say that this is a number that they would accept. Let's keep moving along. Now the last one is 100% area median income, and it's for a 1-bedroom, and it starts at $2,762, and they only have 2 available units. And this is the asset that they would accept, right? The asset limit, $169,600, and anywhere from 1 to 3 people can move into this 1-bedroom. And the minimum it starts off with the 1 person can make is $101,280. And for the max is $152,700, but they would accept if 3 people was at least making $169,600. I don't know if that goes for 1 person, because as you can see, the brackets are here. It's here. You see I'm highlighting it? It's here. So if 1 person only, could make at least $100,000 and at least $120,000, that's what they're accepting. So once you get selected, you get to see the other information when you get their email, you get to see their phone number, and you get to see who the manager is, and that's who you can call and find out all the information you want to find out. But once again, like I said, always do your research. And here it says, number 1, rent may not include all utilities. Refer to project details for more information. Number 2, household size includes everyone who will live with you, including parents and children, subject to occupancy criteria. Number 3, income guidelines, subject to change. Minimum income listed may not apply to applicants with Section 8 or other qualifying rental subsidies. Asset limits also apply. So it says it applies.
I'm not gonna do the map thing, but it's nice. You see, this is the location, and this is in the Bronx, New York. If you're a map person, there you go. Have fun. Come to the website. But it does let you know the transit, like the different trains that's near the area in the Bronx. So you got the B train, the D train, the number 4 train, number 2 train, and number 5 train. And it's showing you all the nearby places like the schools, the subway station, the train station, the police, the park, and the hospital. You can come up in here and look. We already seen these photos already 2 times in the video, but it's nice to see them again. And sometimes when you come to the website, sometimes they put new pictures up. They may add more pictures because, as you can see, we don't see. This is probably considered to be a bedroom, but you don't see any furniture. Okay, keep it moving. This is very important, and this is why I talk about this. Who should apply? And it says individuals or households who meet the income and household size requirements listed in the available units table may apply. Okay. Qualified applicants will be required to meet additional selection criteria. Applicants who live in New York City receive a general preference for apartments. So say like someone like me, I'm already here. So I could get selected before other people. Like I would have a general preference. They could accept me over others. Okay. Moving along. Do not submit duplicate applications. Only send one application per lottery. Do not apply online and also send in a paper application. People need to understand that because they don't. Applicants who submit more than one application may be disqualified. Okay, it's just clear as day. So you can't say you don't understand that. Apply online if you choose to apply online. Once you have confirmed you meet the requirements to apply for this lottery, you may apply directly online and you can hit the apply now button. Or if you don't want to apply online, you can do it by mail. It's your choice, but you got to choose one or the other. Apply by mail. To request an application by mail, send a self-addressed envelope to 2351 Lorillard Place, care of 5 Star Affordable Inc., 139 Tompkins Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, 11206. Okay, and that is it. So I thank you so much for watching my videos. Listen, do your due diligence, research, come and check it out, and apply if you're interested. I'm not saying you have to be interested in Housing Connect, but there are hundreds of thousands of people who is very interested in applying for a Housing Connect apartment. I'm one of them. So this is why, I'm sharing this. It's like I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. While I'm searching for myself, I'm sharing it with all of you. A lot of you probably will get in way before me because you have a higher income than me. My income is a bit too low. So I do need another program that could help me unless I do good up here on YouTube and I can start making money. Maybe I can help myself. I don't know because I am not monetized. Okay. But anyway, I would appreciate you if you would go ahead on, watch the videos, share the videos, leave comments. Make sure you do your due diligence. Set that bell notification so that I'm uploading a video, because a lot of times you don't know. You don't get notified. So hit the bell notification and hit all. That way when I upload, you see them. Okay? So I'm saying too much. I just want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. And don't forget, watch the playlist of these Housing Connect videos because you're going to find out a lot of information. I'm doing the research for you so you don't have to do it. So all you got to do is just come and watch. Okay, thank you. Bye, guys.